See the horn, the small horn. You see the small horn. Put in your mouth. Okay. Then you drink and then you open the cap. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Sawan! Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. July and August, baby.
I want to invite my boss, Jason John. And Joshua, drink coffee together. One die is not enough. 3 die together.
This one will be called you jump, I jump lah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Jason.
I want to invite today's birthday girl again, Mary. Not done yet. Why going back? Not done yet. Not done yet. Wait. Not done yet. Then you have to move on. Second one. No. Let's wait. Mary finish first. Yeah. Let's do one more! Oh, Mary!
Come on, let's go. Happy birthday to the eldest baby.
And shower.
And then we have, okay. Oh, I don't know. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Welcome, Saath. And then we receive a message today. The birthday girl, actually, a single girl. She looking for a boyfriend. Huh? Oh, not a boyfriend, but some boyfriend. Okay. Can be some, can be, I don't know. You ask them. Okay. You want to say something? You want to say something? How many is the sound? Okay. Is that